The government side took a time in that matter, my lord, where if conviction is said that my lord, your lordship directed my lord to matter to be listed today, there is a judicial order. But somehow it has not been listed. Can it be taken up at 2 p.m. like today?
Tomorrow, day after, whatever.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20 with the consent from the other side. Lordship, here the conducting counsel, Mr. NB Chaudhary, is performing his parents' death anniversary. My lord, this matter may be taken after vacation.
NNP Chowdhury, petitioner.
Yes, my lord.
Okay. On request made on behalf of NNP Chowdhury and counsel for petitioner. After Puja village.
Much obliged.
May it please your lordship, with the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 18, my lord. Lordship, this matter may be taken out after vacation, my lord.
You are praying for
And for the petitioner,
your good time
B. Bora.
on request made by B. Boral and counsel for the petition. Please after Puja.
Obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I pray for listing of a matter, your lordship. It has been filed today. I pray that it may be listed day after tomorrow.
What is the urgency?
It pertains to an order of transfer, my lord. Another writ petition has been filed, writ petition, an interim relief was passed by your lordship in that case, and that case is also fixed day after tomorrow, that is the 18th. Therefore, both the matters can be heard together. Deeply obliged, my lord.
May I please, your lordship, my lord. Lord, I have prayer for listing of a case, my lord. In my writ petition, my lord, I was transferred, my lord, from one school to another school in a different block, my lord. My interim prayer is still under consideration. The matter was about to be listed after 3 weeks, my lord. But 4 weeks have already passed, my lord. Matter has not been listed. May I pray before your lordship, my lord, just to list the case, my lord, day after tomorrow, my lord. It's very urgent, my lord. Interim is still under consideration.
Okay.
My level.
May it please your lordship, I am praying for listing this WPC for admission program after any date for admission.
After Puja. 16th.
Obliged.
May I please your lordship? So I beg to mention for listing a writ petition for tomorrow.
Wow.
Urgency is that from the retirement till today, he has not received any his pension, my lord.
That we can take up after Puja. Immediately,
At
on
least,
immediately on the opening of it.
Wednesday, or Friday, my lord, at least.
8 November.
Obliged.
May I please, your lordship, I beg to mention for listing of a writ petition, lordship, on 18th of
Why?
lordship. The issue is that they have cancelled my caste certificate, and without issuing any notice, and the deputy commissioner, he doesn't have the authority to cancel caste certificate.
That we can take up after Puja.
Lordship, the issue is that why it is urgent, because relying on that caste certificate, the daughter of the petitioner was admitted in a medical admission. So the caste certificate of the father of that girl has been cancelled. So if that is not stayed, because it has been cancelled without issuing any notice, and only the committee, the state level caste scrutiny committee can.
She is admitted at.
Yes, she is admitted.
Then wait for Puja.
Lordship, very urgent matter, lordship. Kindly on Friday, lordship.
Not Friday.
On Thursday, lordship, on 18th.
Okay.
Lordship, obliged, lordship.
May I please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 47, lordship. That may be taken up in camera, lordship.
Why?
Lordship, in the act, especially there is a provision, lordship, to take up the matters in camera, lordship. The identity of the petitioner is written, lordship.
Okay.
Highly obliged.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 5, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, this is the pension matter, your lordship, divided between 2 wives, your lordship. The process of settlement is going on between the 2 wives in the village, your lordship. Some time may kindly be allowed, your lordship.
You are Mr.
A.A.R. Karim, your lordship.
Mr. A.R. Karim, then the counsel for petitioner submits that the parties are trying to settle the matter outside the court. Accordingly, list the matter after Puja.
After Puja, your lordship.
After Puja.
May I pray for a date, your lordship?
You want a long date? 20
Lordship. Obliged.
20 November.
May I beg to mention for withdrawal of the writ petition, lordship. It has reached to the pension matter, so which was complied by the responding authorities.
Right.
So I may be allowed the tomorrow lordship. Failure list.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 9. The counsel for the petitioner's mother is not well. Kindly, matter may be fixed after 15 November.
Who's the council?
Runmoni Deka, R Deka.
No, whose council is, you are mentioning on behalf of
Lordship petitioner,
which council?
sir, R Deka.
Or the, on request, madam, we have, or the, list of the puja petition.
Item 1 of daily list, motion.
May it please your lordship. In this matter, your lordship have to examine, my lord, the date of joining, my lord, for consideration of the pensionary benefit, my lord. The petitioner was appointed under OBB, my lord.
Have you filed your additional affidavit?
Yes, your lordship. I have filed
Including,
it on 26th of September, my lord.
have you enclosed the advertisement?
No, my lord, I could not find the advertisement, my lord.
Yes. Then there was an order to
Yes,
enclose
my
the-
lord, but I am unable to collect, my lord. The respondent may produce, my lord.
whatever it is, yes.
Respondent can have the with his case, my lord.
My lord, my service has already been regularized, my lord. And now the question of benefit of pension, my lord. My lord, the policy decision has been submitted before the honorable court in a division bench, my lord, where your lordship was also part of that, my lord.
That's a different issue. The issue is we want to see the advertisement.
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord, because I couldn't get that
Do you
advertisement.
have a, can you produce the advertisement?
It will be difficult on my part, my lord.
Huh?
It will be difficult on my part, which is the advertisement. He is the person who is the had given the examination and everything. So that,
Our department should have the advertisement,
my lord.
isn't it?
Let it be after puja vacation, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr.
I'm sorry, my lord.
M. Cycle and the council of the petition. Stop. I'll direct you to produce the copy.
Good.
Mr. P.K. Bora.
As well,
Sorry, S. Bora, Leonard Standing Council,
I'm BTC.
BTC. What date is the advertisement?
My lord,
What date is the advertisement?
my lord, exact date I have not remember, my lord. I have taken instruction in this regard also, my lord. Because of that, my lord could not find that, my lord. But it was in the year 1999.
1999, madam. No, 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 that BTC will not be able.
Person Black Goods.
So under OBP, my lord, that will have to be elementary education. For now, one.
You try to manage to get the advertisement and list it up.
After vegetation.
Mr. M. Leonard Council for the petition, cancel or shall produce the copy of the advertisement on the basis of which he was appointed as assistant teacher at Kakrapari Arundoy MS School. List of the puja petition.
Oblige, your lord.
So.
May I listen? As a matter related to my lord, non-payment of salary, my lord, daily wage basis, my lord. Kindly have a look, my lord, page 13, my lord, A. This is a appointment letter, my lord, issued by the SGO Dhokaf, my lord.
Page 13.
13A, my lord. 13 is a, my lord, vernacular copy, my lord, 13A. This is a, my lord, translated copy. On daily wage basis, my lord, he was appointed as a gate for employment. And from time to time, my lord, his service was extended.
1 minute, 13A.
13A, my lord.
Not the daily wage, the part-time.
Yes, Lordship.
This is a part time.
No, Lordship. It is appointed for the vacant post lying to the office of the SDO. See election for.
Where is that? Where is that?
Yes, it is in page number 12, Lordship. 12 is there.
12 is also there. This matter 12, 13, 13A, my lord. 13B, this high services matter.
1 minute. Yes, then.
Again, matter 13B, my lord.
Hmm.
Again, matter 13D.
Hmm.
This on this level, his services matter from time to time matter extended matter. And kindly have a look at page 5 matter, paragraph 4 matter. From 96 to 2000 matter, and from 96 to matter 2000.
Page 5.
Paragraph 4, madam. Narratement. The petitioner states that the concerned authorities has released his salary from 1996 to 2000. However, from 2000 to 2010, they have not released his area salary. Again, in 2013, a token amount of rupees 10,000 was released. It is to be further noted here in that from 2014, 15, 16, and 17, the concerned authorities have regularly released his salary. That is rupees 3,000 per month. But
This 13D is your last extension order?
these are no, madam, after that, madam,
No, Lordship.
no formal
No,
letter
no.
was.
No,
Release
not a
It
single.
is, it is up to 31/1/1998.
Well, kindly have a look, this is a similar order passed by this coordinate as well. Same set of employees. only.
No.
No, this is not the case, not like to that case, Lordship. This is, Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, it says, the petitioner was.
Well, kindly have a look, madam, my
appointed-
order. These are same set of my order, madam, same,
1 minute.
same type of employee, madam. అవునా? Similar employees matter, same office matter.
Where's your extension order?
No, Lordship.
Where's your extension order?
Last extension is that I have received matter 1997. matter.
No, Lordship, nothing.
But then they have to.
No, Lordship.
You have to produce.
Yes, Lordship, he have to produce.
Onus is on you. Who's the petitioner?
Honey himself.
Dundee handicap.
After 1999, you have not received any extension order.
But on record matter. Then matter I'll matter file an additional affidavit matter to matter produce a record. After vacation matter I'll produce it.
Lordship, here in this case, Lordship. So far, Lordship, on 3/1/1996, Lordship,
there was an appointment lordship of the petitioner lordship. It is on it is the due to the health reason, so and so resigned her post, and as such the Dundee Hendrick is hereby appointed in the vacant post lying for the office of the SDO Civil Election Branch with monthly remuneration of so and so per month. Lordship. This is the appointment letter. And after that, lordship, there is no evidence for his extension, lordship. At the same time, lordship, so far
No.
Annexer B.
13B.
Yes, yes, and Annexer, yes.
আপনারা নতুন কপি এটা দিছিলেন
Uh-huh.
আৰু কপি এটা আছে তাতে এটা নেক্সট কৰা নাই আৰু এটা কপি আছে পাছত দিছিলেন
It is 12.
এটা ওনার দিছিলেন
So far, in my hand, lordship, so far, my hand, what the brief petition is available, lordship, this order is not here, lordship.
And after that, my lord, I submit my lord another writ petition. In his writ petitions, my lord, these copies are missing, my lord. So after that, my lord, I submitted another.
Yes,
writ petition.
No. Have you finished a full set of bid petition?
No, I have submitted, my lord. Later on, my lord. At the time of filing, my lord, that was not annexed, my lord. But after that, my lord, due to.
See, 13G,
13.
13J,
আপনার তার নতুন কপি এটা দিছিলেন,
13,
page 13. I don't know what is this
আচ্ছা,
annexion?
আছে না?
13,
13 J.
J.
13 J.
What is this 13A, 13B?
No, 13, lordship, 13,
Is my lord, appointment, my lord, order.
13A.
From time to is a part-time employee, my lord. That's why 1996 he was appointed, 97 he was again appointed, 98 my lord, he was again appointed, 99 he was again appointed, was a part-time.
So up to 15/9/1999, he was engaged.
My lord. Now, after my till that, my lord, he is working.
No,
my
no,
lord, till.
15,
Even my lord,
99, lordship.
from 19,
There
from
is-
2017, my lord, his salary was released, my lord.
If we presume, lordship.
This is on record, my lord.
Yes, if we presume that till 1999, he was an employee. He was an temporary engaged worker, lordship, in that establishment. After that, lordship, there is no evidence.
That's what I'm saying.
Yes, lordship.
My lord, on record, my lord, from 2017, my lord, till 2017, he was released his salary, my lord. Authority, my lord. This is my statement, my lord. On note, my lord. Page 5, my lord, page 5, my lord, paragraph forward.
Your prayer is not tenable.
The case will be listed after vacation, my lord, produce, my lord.
Okay, on request made by Mr.
A Khanigal.
A. Khanigal and the concept of petitioner, this the matter after the puja application.
Diplomas.
3,
My lord, the petitioner before your lordship was appointed, my lord, in the year 1980 to 83, my lord, to the post of, my lord, grade 4, my lord. And thereafter, my lord, he was given, my lord, a regular scale, my lord. And he was also provided, my
What
lord,
is the name of the petitioner?
my lord, Krishna Kanto, my lord, Bhowmik. And my lord, his, my lord, GPF fund, my lord, account was also given, my lord, page 16, my lord. Particulars of the GPF, my lord. But my lord, problem is that, my lord, no formal, my lord, regularization order was given, my lord. Though, my lord, he is, my lord, all along working in the department, my lord, in different posts, my lord, and regular scale was also given, my lord. GPF account was also given, my lord.
But only, my lord, unfortunately, my lord, he was not given, my lord, my lord, formal regularization order, my lord. In the meantime, lordship, lastly, my lord, there are many communication, but I beg to, my lord, refer latest communication, page 18, my lord. Annexure 4, there are some other, my lord, similarly situated employees are also there, my lord. And this is last communication just before his retirement, my lord. It is dated 21/3/2022. My lord, concerned executive engineer PHE Hailakandi division, Hailakandi, my lord, forwarded their name with the proposal for regularization of his their service, my lord. And petitioner's name is, my lord, figured at serial number 8, my lord. Sri Krishnakanto Bhomik, my lord, work charge pump operator, my lord, to be retired on 31/3/2022, my lord. And next page, my lord, I have annexed, my lord, his retirement notification, my lord, page 19, my lord.
Yes.
And my lord, accordingly, he has retired on 30/4/2022, my lord, afternoon, on attaining age of, my lord, 60 years. And he has rendered, my lord, more than 38 years, my lord, in the department, my lord. But he is not given, my lord, monthly pension, my lord. But he has got all other, my lord, pensionary benefit, my lord, like a regular employee. In this regard, my lord, I beg to refer, my lord, page 21, my lord, similar writ petition filed by his colleagues, my lord. Page 21, my lord, one writ petition is pending, my lord. Annexure 7, my lord, with interim order, my lord, to consider his, my lord, provisional pension, my lord. Page 23. Page 23, operative part, my lord. In the circumstance, in the meantime, we direct the authorities and the PH department to process and pay provisional pension to the petitioner at a rate that may be
That was
determined.
because the petitioner therein was regularized.
No, my lord, he is also not a regular.
Why not?
My lord, lordship kindly be look.
Read page 22.
Lordship kindly be look.
Page 22, you read page 22.
Last 3 lines.
Petitioner was appointed at work charge Kalasi pursuant to an interview held on so and so was appointed by an order dated so and so. Thereupon the service of the petitioner was regularized as per order number so and so dated so and so of the office of the, my lord, this is regularization, my lord, but lordship kindly will look page 18, my lord. My lord, he is like me, my lord, serial number 5, my lord. Virendra Chandra Rai, my lord. Page 18, my lord. His name, my lord, serial number 5, and my name is.
He was regularized by a particular order.
My lord.
Have you been regularized?
No, my lord, I am not regularized, my lord.
Then
Form
how can you claim parity with the other petition?
No, my lord, I am just praying, my lord, this matter may be taken up along with that matter, my lord.
No, no. I can issue notice at this stage.
Otherwise, my lord, annexure 4, page 18 is very much clear, my lord.
There are, my lord, some, my lord,
There
departmental
is
orders.
Employees, their services have not been regularized, for which neither their pension papers could be prepared for one of submissions. So accordingly, my lord, the chief engineer was requested to take an action.
It will be better, my lord, if matter is come along with that matter. And my lord, similar matter, my lord, in the similar matter, one observation of this honorable court, my lord, lordship kindly will look page 34, my lord. Page 31, my lord, second paragraph, the learned counsel for the petitioners, however, relies on the office memorandum dated so and so issued by the pension and public grievance department to contend that irrespective of whether a petitioner is regular or not, all the temporary employees who completed 20 years of service are made eligible for pension by aforesaid notification, and therefore the learned council contends that in view of the such policy decision, the Accountant General ANE Assam is not within its jurisdiction to return the pension proposal of the petitioners in as much as on the basis of such notification, the employer has sent the proposal. My lord. So, my lord, if matter is taken up together, my lord, it will be convenient for all, my lord.
When is this listed?
Therefore, this matter is pending, my lord. The notice may be issued kindly, my lord, and matter may come up along with this writ petition, my lord.
Yeah, we'll issue notice.
My lord.
What, Mr.
AM board.
Council of the petition. Issue notice. Who appears for PHE?
I'm for PH, lord.
Mr.
I bought her.
I, Patakul, understanding council PHE appears for respondents, 1, 3,
5.
and 5.
5.
Finance, A. Chalian, understanding council finance. Appears for respondent number 2 and 6. 2 and 6. Mr. A. Hassan.
As per number 4.
Understanding council accountant general for respondent number 4. Notice on respondents are complete, however, extra copies will be furnished. Please the matter of the 4 weeks. Along with WBC number,
6315/2022, my lord.
this is a different matter. In this case, the petitioner is already regularized.
My lord, this is said just, my lord, but other communication said, my lord, they are not regularized. Therefore, he has also filed his petition, my lord.
Along with WBC 6315 to the.
My lord.
Next to logo take for.
Deep level.
Next.
Next
Next item.
item.
4.
Deep level, my lord.
Hello, sir. My lord, Meta electing to my lord, recovery of access to him, my lord.
Here,
Of salary.
I'm supposed to obtain instruction, madam, but inadvertently I have wrote to the director of elementary instead of secondary education, madam. That's why I could not obtain the instruction. So, madam, may fix it after vacation, madam. Or in the meantime, notice may go, madam, I will obtain instruction.
Heard, Mr.
Yeah, Konika.
A. Conical and the council. Issue notice. Mr. N. J. Khatania.
Yes, sir.
Understanding council, school education department appears for
I'm appearing for my lord. 1, 4,
1 is
1, 4 and 5, my lord.
1 is
So,
pension.
so not 1, my lord. 4 and 5, my lord.
4 and 5. MSDD Burman and it's a government educate appears
1,
for
3 and 6.
1,
3 and 6.
1, 3 and 6.
Yes.
And Mr. H. Alian, understanding of the finance appears for responding. Respondents are out of 5 extra copies. This are the copies.
There is an interim order, my lord, that may be continued.
What interim is there?
Not to recover, my lord.
Not to recover. my lord.
Paragraph 10 of the order, madam.
Interim order first ready to continue till the next.
Deep notice.
See.
Well, lodge.
Six.
Meet resolution. Look, this is pertaining to the retirement benefits of the petitioner. Not, he was an employee of Assam Gas Company Limited, AGPL. Also will kindly come to page 26, annexure P3. This was his retirement notice. He was retired on 1/6/2021.
Yes.
Also will say after completion of 60 years as on 1/6/2021. Thereafter, my lord will kindly turn page 32, annexure P7.
Yes.
This was a formal order of release after his retirement, my lord. Now, page 33, your lordship will see, Lord, he was entitled for 300 days salary
And as per their terms, my lord, 150 days salary will be given at the time of retirement and 150 days subject to vacating the quarter. Subsequently, he vacated the quarter also. But what happened, my lord, while he was in service, my lord, while discharging his duty, he was required to submit a TDS refund application before the income tax authorities in his official capacity, my lord. He did that. But what happened, my lord, while doing so, excess amount was deducted or deposited before the income tax authorities. Pursuant to that, the his office gave him a mail that your lordship will find page 35.
Yes.
Subject, your lordship will kindly see filing of refund application against excess TCS deposit on 8/9/2020. Lordship's got, my lord?
Yes.
Sir, this is in continuation of discussion held with Sri so-and-so, ex-CFO AGCL on above subject earlier. Would like to inform you that while depositing TCS on 8/9/2020, rupees 15,517 being 1% of the net value of rupees 15,51700, TCS amount was wrongly deposited at an amount of rupees 15,51700. There was only one TCS deduction in that particular quarter, and we don't have sufficient deduction to adjust against the excess payment this year also. Hence, there is excess payment of so-and-so against the aforesaid challan. Therefore, you are kindly requested to file necessary application for claiming refund of excess amount of TCS deposited. So he was directed that you file an refund application before the income tax authorities. Now he filed a refund application, my lord. Although he retired, my lord, page 39. Although he retired, my lord, he processed that refund application. Page 39, it was given by the Commissioner in Income, Assistant Commissioner of Income Tax. Refund request number so-and-so has been successfully submitted through traces. Traces, my lord, these are all online thing, my lord, refund request. You can track the status of the request through track refund request under statement payment menu. Refund request has been submitted for amount of rupees so-and-so, challan have been challan number so-and-so listed below. Now thereafter, my lord, after the refund request has been placed, it was, since I am retired from service, my lord, it was the responsibility of the AGCL to pursue that refund request and follow up that and get the things done. Now they sat over the matter, and what finally came through page 51. Refund request so-and-so has been rejected by the AO Additional Commissioner TDS due to deductor did not approach FAO. You can track the status. Meaning thereby, my lord, the AGCL authorities, my lord, they did not follow up that refund request, because of which this was rejected. My lord, now how am I to be faulted? I have done my part. I have retired from service. No DP criminal proceeding, anything is pending. So we are duty bound to release my retirement benefit. They are not releasing, my lord. The AGCL authorities are not releasing my retirement benefit, my lord. And it is not a case that I have misappropriated some money. This is the money which is lying with the income tax authorities, wrongly done due to clerical mistake, and they are to get the refund done. And my retirement benefits, they are not releasing for this reason, my lord.
Your lordship, I am appealing to the state government, but AGCL, some notice has to go and they'll have to respond.
Oh, they don't have a standing council.
They do not have problem.
Then I'll have to issue.
Lordship will issue notice, my lord.
But Mr.
HK Das.
HK Das. Issue notice. Mr. M. Kalisa.
A Kalita for respond number 1.
Standing council.
Yes, sir.
Industries and Commerce. Appears for response number 1. Stop. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on responders 2 to 5 by registered post within 1 week from today. 1 week?
Yes.
This after 4 weeks.
Look, there is an IA
What is this?
My lord, on the second last occasion, this honorable one court wanted that income tax department to be a party in the proceeding because refund was processed with them, my lord. So in that view of the matter, I was filed for impleading the income tax department as a party respondent in the proceeding. So
Oh,
this
then
may
I
be-
can, then I can issue notice.
my senior, Mr.
These are,
My senior, Mr. Kyle is here.
I've been asked
So
to,
this can be allowed, my lord.
Lordship, I'm not aware about the issue here.
No, the issue is this, thus,
Lordship.
I implement this. After implementing, you'll have to file an amended cost title. After that, only I can take steps. This court can take steps. Now that would go to puja vacation.
True, my lord. Then lordship will keep this I pending at this moment.
I'll
my
keep
lord.
it pending and
Yes.
I issue notice and.
Yes,
they-
yes, yes.
After that, we'll see.
Highly obliged.
7,
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, my husband was working as a pastoral worker since 1969, long 30 years at the veterinary office, district veterinary office, Nagaon. But his colleague's service was regularized, but my service was not, my husband's service was not regularized, Lordship, 2005. And this is advertent mistake of the respondent authority, Lordship. Kindly see passage 46, Lordship, para 2.
Page 46.
46.
It's of the affidavit, my lord.
Affidavit, additional affidavit,
Additional
Lordship.
affidavit, my lord.
46, Lordship, para
Yes.
2. Therefore, I would like
No,
to
no, here 46 is something else.
46, Lords.
This is page 46.
46. 46, Lords.
46.
Additional affidavit, Lords.
I'm on
Annexure
additional.
9, lordship. this,
Annexure 9.
Annexure 9 of the additional affidavit. lordship.
Annexure 9,
Lordship,
Lord.
6
Nine,
feet,
one,
lord.
next.
Before that, please, my lord.
43.
46.
43.
46, Lordship. Page number 46.
Whatever it is, read it.
Therefore, I would like to request you kindly make an arrangement to appoint Sri Dipen Gogoi, master rule worker of this establishment in place of MRS Ranju Raskwa, master rule worker, as she has already been appointed. In my place, Ranju Raskwa, in my husband place, Ranju Raskwa has appointed, Lordship. It is advertent mistake of respondent authority. So my humble prayer before your Lordship to give me my husband, late husband service benefit, Lordship.
Yes, sir.
Lordship, I can issue notice, my lord.
Lordship, if possible, Lordship, kindly pass any interim order, Lordship. Long
Interim
from
order cannot pass.
2016,
You have not been regularized yet.
Lordship.
They're fine.
You're good then?
B. Kaklari, Lordship.
But Mr. B. Kaplari, then counsel for the petition. Issue notice.
Kotoki.
Kotaki, Learned Standing Council. Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Department, appears for respondents.
All
One,
the respondents, my lord. One
appears on
report.
behalf of all the respondents. Extra copies, you furnish extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file contract of it. At least up to 4 weeks.
Give obliged, Lordship.
8,
No, please, sir.
My lord, matter pertains to non-payment of pension and family pension to the petitioner, my lord. In fact, my lord, if lordship may kindly come to page 57, my lord, annexure 7. Against the representation, they have given the reply, my lord. Para 2, my lord, Srimati Nijora Das, wife of such and such, late Prafulla Chandra Das of your unit, who was dismissed from service with effect from 14/10/1998 by your office order, number such and such, dated 14/10/98, and later expired on, husband of the petitioner expired on 28/7/2012, has submitted a representation to the GC Guwahati in which she has requested for releasing all the service benefits of her husband on the basis of court judgment. Copy of her representation along with all concerned documents are enclosed herewith for further necessary action. Initially, my lord, husband of the petitioner was dismissed from service on the basis of a criminal case. And accordingly, he was convicted in a criminal case. Subsequently, he has preferred a criminal appeal before the Honorable High Court. Honorable High Court set aside that order of conviction. Against that, my lord, Union of India preferred a criminal appeal before the Supreme Court. Supreme Court also dismissed that particular criminal. Immediately thereafter, my lord, petitioner has filed a writ petition before this honorable court, praying for reinstatement in service. If lordship may kindly come to page 39, my lord. 49, sorry. Operative portion of the judgment.
Yes.
Para 7, lordship. The punishment of dismissal has been imposed on the petitioner on the finding that both the charges are approved in a situation where the second charge in the disciplinary proceeding has been interfered with by the present order. What would be the adequate measure of penalty that should be imposed on the petitioner on the basis of the first charge is a question that should be determined by the disciplinary authority and not by the court. The power of imposition of punishment is in the employer, and the role of the court would come in only if the punishment imposed is excessive or grossly disproportionate. In such a situation, the court is of the view that the case of the petitioner should be remanded to the disciplinary authority for taking a fresh decision as to the measure of penalty that should be imposed on him in the circumstances noted above. That is when only the first charge has been held to be proved. The disciplinary authority will decide the matter forthwith and without any delay, and thereafter all such legal consequences that may be emanate from the de novo decision will follow. The writ petition is accordingly partly held. But they have not taken any decision till today. This order was passed in the year 2010, lordship.
Yes, so appears on the other side. Have you served copies?
My lord.
Have you served copies on the union?
Yes. Yes.
You catch all of them. We'll take up after some time.
Lordship. Just time.
Then
May I please your lordship? Lordship, in this case, lordship, I have challenged my suspension order, lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, on the last occasion, instructions were sought for lordship. Lordship may kindly come to page number 21, lordship. Page number 21. This is the suspension order and that is dated 8/6/2023. Pending rule of departmental proceeding and as per Nagaon PS case number so and so, Sri so and so is hereby placed under suspension with immediate effect.
Any instruction?
No, my lord. Well, take it up on the last day, my lord.
Last day will be difficult.
Then immediately after pick it.
No, lordship, my specific ground in this case is that, lordship, after the lapse of 3 months, lordship, they have.
That I know.
Yes, lordship.
Heard Mr.
M. Ahmed.
M. Ahmed, let me complete. On request made by Mr. N.G. Khatani, Standing Council, School Education Department. List the matter. On 9th November, to enable him to receive instruction.
Available.
High level.
11.
May I please your lordship? Lordship, matters pertaining to terminal benefit of her deceased husband, lordship. Lordship, his husband was appointed as watchman, lordship, under the Assam Plan Types and Development Corporation, lordship. Lordship, appointment order will find that lordship, page number 10, lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, from the appointment, lordship, regular salary was not paid to him, lordship. Husband.
From the date of his appointment.
Yes, lordship, regular salary, lordship. Lordship, after that, lordship, the husband of the petitioner was died on lordship 19/1/2022, lordship. Lordship, after that, lordship,
1 minute. Yes.
after that, lordship, he was died, lordship, petitioner's husband, lordship, on 19/1/2022, lordship. Lordship, after that, lordship, the petitioner filed representation, lordship, for releasing the terminal benefit, lordship, gratuity, leave encashment benefits, and area salary, lordship. But till then, lordship, they have not responded, lordship. Lordship, representation will file, lordship, page number 16, lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of respondent number 3 and 4. Lordship, we will have instructions. We'll need some time to have instructions.
okay. Third, Mr.
N.K. Sharma, lordship.
N.K. Sharma and the counsel for the petition. Stop. The petitioner was appointed, was temporarily appointed.
No, lordship, husband of the petitioner, lordship.
Oh, the husband of the petitioner. Late Shri Tikendra Dewri was initially appointed temporarily as watchman in the Assam Plain Tribes Development Corporation Limited by an order dated 25/4/1991 issued by the managing director. While the petitioner was serving, he died in harness on
19/1/2022, lordship.
Thereafter. Oh, when the petitioner's husband. Thereafter, petitioner made a representation dated 13/1983 before the managing director, Assam Plains Tribes Development Corporation Limited, for release of all the pensioner benefits
Along with lordship pending salary.
along with all the benefits, including gratuity, leave investment, along with pending salary. As the respondents are yet to respond to the representation dated 13/19. No, so as the respondents are yet to pay the pensioner benefits along with pending salary, the petitioners propose this. MS
D. Swami, on behalf of
D.
Mr.
Swami.
A. Sharma.
Development Council. Appearing on behalf of Mr. A. Sharma, then standing council.
Assam Plain Tribes
Assam
Development
Plain
Corporation
Tribes.
Limited.
Going so. Praise for some time to enable them to receive it. Praise a lot. This. Then.
Obliged.
Deeply obliged, lordship.
Well,
May I present? My lord, matter pertains to my lord, non-payment of regular pension, my lord. My lord, page number 50, my lord. This is a letter written by the AG, my lord, to the department.
Yes.
Then, my lord, next page, my lord, this is written by the department to the AG, my lord. Our past service will not be counted for the purpose of MSCPs, my lord. During our service period, my lord, we received, my lord, MSCP and SCPs, my lord. For that, my lord, they said that, my lord, we are not entitled, my lord. For that purpose, my lord, our pension is held, my lord.
Your pension is
Held, my lord.
held up.
Held up, my lord.
Yes,
My lord, notice maybe go, my lord.
Gogol.
Notice.
Heard, Mr.
D.
D.
Gogol.
Gogol, responsible. Issue notice. Irrigation, who appears?
Lordship, I am appearing for 1, 2, and 3, Lords.
Mr.
N. Upadhyay, Lords.
N. Upadhyay, then it's Standing Council Irrigation Department, appears correspondence 1, 2, and 3.
Lordship.
Finance,
4, I am appearing.
Mr. B. Gogol, and the Standing Council Finance, appears correspondent number 4. Accountant General, MS, Mr. R.K. Talukdar, Standing Council. Accountant General, appears correspondence 5 and 6. These some respondents are complete, however, extra copies. Respondents are not to find the respective affidavits. This after forms.
Deeply blessed.
13. May it please your lordship. My lord, the petitioner is a retired headmaster of my lord's school, my lord. My lord, what happened, my lord, during when he was promoted to the headmaster, my lord, his promotion challenged before this honorable court by a my lord person. Ultimately, that petition was dismissed. Because this petition was pending before his court, he was allowed to draw the my lord graduate scale of pay. So now he is entitled to my lord that difference of scale of pay, my lord. And then proposal has been already been, my lord, submitted by the inspector of school, your lordship, at page 40.
Page 40.
Page 40. Response number 4 to the director on 1/6/2022, but that has not been paid till date. Reason is also mentioned here in this non-receipt due to High Court case pending. That is the amount. 2,53,200. That is the amount, my lord.
That writ petition is disposed of.
That is dismissed, my lord. That was dismissed. So now,
yes.
Your lordship, kindly grant us 2 weeks time, 3 weeks time, your lordship, to obtain instruction. Why it is pending? Notice may issue, your lordship.
You heard Mr.
M. Sharma.
M. Sharma, then the constitutional petition. MS B does, then the Standing Council,
Secondary education.
Secondary Education shall receive instructions as to why the area amount, area salary amount of rupees 2,53,200 is yet to be paid to the council, despite the proposal being made on 1/6/2022 by the Inspector of Schools, Dibrugarh District Secretary. List after 3 weeks.
Keep your place.
14.
Ma'am, this is a case of non-receipt of pay and allowance after upon retrospective promotion. Lordship may kindly see page number 19, my lord. This is a letter from AG to the government, where it is requested by the AG to the Secretary Food and Civil Supplies, Government of Assam, to clarify as to whether FR 17 has been relaxed for authorizing pay and allowances from the date of retrospective promotion. I was promoted retrospectively. My recommendation for consideration of promotion was kept under a seal cover. Upon opening of the seal cover at a subsequent date, my promotion was considered retrospectively. Due to non-relaxation of FR 17 by the Finance Department, my pay and allowances last 3-4 years is pending, my lord.
You've not been paid your.
No, my lord, no pay slip is given by the AG for not clarifying FR 17, my lord.
Lordship will issue notice, my lord. Let me.
No, my lord. I have only less than a year left of my service, by the let him obtain instruction and matter may be posted.
Immediately after vacation.
But Mr.
DN Bhattacharya.
Mr. B. Gogoi, Learned Standing Council, Finance
Finance, well.
shall receive instructions from the matter.
My lord, date may be given.
This 15th.
15th.
Yeah.
Of like
15.
15th of November.
November.
My lord, petitioner is an association of all Assam primary and upper primary school midday meal cooks come helper, my lord. They have been serving in their respective school for several years at a meager salary of remuneration honorarium of rupees 1500 per month. Therefore, the association has represented before the authorities from time to time. And page 38, there was a discussion with the association and the government, my lord. Clause 1, since they are receiving only 1500 per month, very meager, my lord, and therefore immediate step will be taken for placing a proposal for enhancement of remuneration of cook cum helper to higher authorities in this regard. The quantum of enhancement already made by some other state will be examined, my lord. In respect of other state, my lord, in respect of Kerala, some amount has been enhanced, my lord. So my humble prayer would be that our case should be considered, my lord, in terms of page 2038 Annexure 2. Matter is pending before the government, my lord.
Has the proposal been sent?
No, my lord, we are not aware. Immediate step will be taken for placing a proposal, but we are still receiving only 1500 rupees per month. That too only for 10 months, not even for a year. Thereafter, we have made several representation and memorandum before the authorities for considering our case.
Okay. Notice will go heard to Mr. Sharma and the council. If you notice. Mr. N. G. Daniel and the Standing Council appears School Education Department 2 and 4. Who appears 1? MS DD Barman and it's government. Appears for respondent 1. 1. B. Google and its Standing Council.
3 and 5 men. SSA and Finance.
SSA and Finance Department appears for respondents 3 and 5. Union.
K. Google.
CK Google and its CGC appears on behalf of respondent. Notice and respondents are complete.
One observation may be made, my lord. Pendency shall not be a bar, my lord.
List of the 4 weeks. Pendency of this petition shall not be above for the respondents to consider the case of the petitioners.
Highly appraised.
55 of supplementary motion.
My lord, in the main case, Lordship will take up the main case that the Lordship desired. Because the CAG was, my lord, redundantly made a party. I made a prayer to strike off his name. Lordship desired that I should file a small application that has come as an IA, praying for striking of the my lord R4. This is not necessary, my lord. That order may be passed first. I am. CAG, not necessary. my lord.
But Mr. S. Barbaran and the senior counsel assisted by Mr.
You Soikia.
You Saikia and then the counsel for the applicant. So by this application, the applicant, who is the lead petitioner in WBC number 5622 of 2023, is praying for striking off the name of striking off the who is the CAG in the respondent in the writ petition,
Not a necessary party.
striking off the name of the respondent number 4. The Comptroller and Auditor General within bracket CAG of India in WBC 5622 of 2023. In as much as the said respondent is not a necessary party. You have any objections?
My lord, no objection, my lord, here. But NEC, NEC, regarding NEC, my lord. In the end, earlier, my lord, it was controlled by the government of Assam. In 1999, my lord, it came under the NEC. In 2020, 2007.
No, I'm on the IA only. After that, we'll consider.
Strike off to judicial control.
Not NEC, my lord. Response number 3, my lord. It may be
What
not
response?
necessary, my lord.
We are on the CAG.
NEC, North-Eastern Council. 5.
This application, have you got a copy of the IA?
No, my lord, it is for your lordship consideration. I have no objection.
Take a data, Leonard Standing Council. Leonard Council appearing for the respondent.
2, 3, 4. 1 to 4.
1 to 4.
1 to 4 has no objection. So this court has also taken the question in the present application is satisfied. Accordingly, the prayer for striking of the name of the respondent number 4, i.e. so and so, is allowed.
Now, my lord, Lordship may take the main case.
Now, main case, Mr. Barry, you'll have to file an amended cost title.
Lordship,
You'll have to file an amended cost title
for what, my lord?
for amending the cost title.
Cost title, I believe it is all right, my lord, non-payment. Well, no, I think I'll have to refresh your lordship, my lord.
No. Now that the CAG has been struck off,
Huh.
you'll have to file an amended cost title.
No, my lord, he was just made a party, my lord. There was no mention, my lord.
There's already a notification
Lordship,
that when there's already a notification that when any parties are included or removed after the order in the IA is passed, the petitioner has to file an amended cost title.
my lord, so far as the cost title is concerned, there is no whisper about CAG, my lord, cost title will
that's
be
what-
same. I think
No. Respondent 4 has been deleted now, isn't it?
deleted, my lord.
So you'll have to file a cost title.
No, my lord,
deleted.
he was actually unnecessarily, my lord, and
That is correct. That's why you filed this IA.
right,
Correct.
Yeah.
After you file this IA, we have allowed the deletion of respondent number 4.
that's fine.
Now you will have to file a amended cost title in the writ petition.
My lord, which cause, my lord, I should amend, my lord?
The cost title,
Yes, my lord, Lordship, kindly point it out to me.
this respondents 1, 2, 3. Then the respondent number 4, that you'll have to delete it. Comptroller and Auditor General of India.
Yes, I have deleted, my lord.
You have not deleted.
My lord, 4 deleted,
4 have passed the order for deletion.
right. Then, my lord,
Now that has been filed, now that order has been passed, now you'll have to file a cost title, amended cost title, removing the respondent number 4.
my lord, there is actually after removing respondent number 4, nothing remains to be amended in the cause title, my lord. Kindly see. Which particular cause title I will remove?
If I'm not wrong, come to page 4.
4, my lord. 4.
Respondent 4 is still there.
Yes, it is there.
Now you will have to file an amended course title. Since I passed the order in the IA saying that you will have to delete respondent number 4.
Oh, I see, my lord. That my lord, I'll file it tomorrow, let it come on Friday.
Oh.
There's some urgency.
Friday there will be some problem. We'll have it day after tomorrow.
Day after tomorrow. It can be done. Now I understand, my lord.
In the main,
A printout will have to be filed.
in the main. In view of the order passed today. In ISO and deleting respondent number 4 in the present condition. The petition is directed to file an amended course title within 1 day.
Lordship may record my submission. I'll be filing it, my lord, during the course of the day. Or my lord, tomorrow, and matter may be listed on after.
Mr. A.C. Barber, the senior counsel surveys that the amended course title would be filed on or before today's date. On or before 70 days. Accordingly, list on 18th.
On 18, my lord, matter may be. Lordship may post it, fix the date on 18, my lord. There is some
That's
urgent.
not that fast.
Oblige, lordship.
56.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, matter relating to suspension of the petitioner, Lordship.
Oh.
He has been,
Any instructions?
Yes, my lord. The suspension order has not been reviewed till date. But my thing is that regarding the release of bail, he informed the department on 11/8/2023. So 90 days will be over on November, my lord. So we have time till 11th of November, my lord.
90 days from the date of
This is
suspension.
the latest position.
Lordship, page 21, date
Which?
21, the order of the suspension.
It is a case of beam suspension, my lord. He was arrested and he was released on bail, my lord. Thereafter, he informed the department on 11/8/2023.
He was suspended on 18/5/2023, Lord.
Hmm.
With effect from
He
13/5.
was suspended on
Hello.
18/5/2020.
But thereafter, he was arrested, my lord, and he released on bail, my lord. He was released on bail, and he informed the department regarding his release, my lord, on 11/8. So the department came to know about his release on 11/8.
Hmm.
So 3 months will be counted from 11/8, my lord.
How?
No.
This is the judgment
Let
passed by
us,
the coordinate bench, my lord.
let us see.
Yes, my lord. Paragraph 20, my lord. That is the question. 455, 20 minutes.
Suspension to piece of food.
Yes, then
So, my lord, he informed the department on 11/8/2023 regarding his release, my lord. This is my instruction regarding
11/8.
11/8/2023, my lord. So 3 months will be over on 10/9/8/9/11/2023. So till 9/11, we have time, my lord, to review his suspension order.
Then we can dispose of this matter.
Lordship, here in this case, petition, department is aware of his suspension on Lordship. Thereafter, he was suspended on Lordship 18/5. It's not a case that department is not aware.
We are
I am
able,
only
because
informing Lordship that I have been released on bail, Lordship. But petitioner, Lordship, kindly see the suspension order. It's not 18/5, Lordship.
order copy dito.
You can read it.
Lordship, let it be 10 at 2, Lordship. I will go through this.
Well, at 2, I may not be able to, some other council will be there. madam.
No problem.
Doesn't matter.
Yes. Oblige, Lordship.
Just see.
Yes.
You instruct them.
Yes, madam. Oblige.
57.
Map. Your Lordship's passed an order on 11/10/23. My learned friend Milord wanted a little time to.
Lordship, I have obtained instruction, Lordship. This is there. And 2-3 facts has come up, Lordship, as I have been instructed. First of all, Lordship, the OM that has been referred, Lordship, where the prior approval of the CM is required in case of, so this doesn't apply in case of the non-gazetted officers, Lordship. First, these things. And second one is that, Lordship, the VR is in under process. They have taken, the
that is
procedure
what
has
your
already
Lordship-
started. And that apart, Lordship, commuted leave that he has applied is not in proper format, Lordship, and the medical documents which is required for that, this has not been supplied to the department. And because of this, Lordship, they were not, as these are not in proper format, for non-furnishing of these things, the
Again.
prayer that has been made by the petitioner could not be taken into account, Lordship. This is there.
So commuted leave, the application is not,
Yes, in proper format,
In
Lordship.
proper
Yes, and with medical documents.
whereas you are considering the matter.
Yes, it is already under consideration.
Under
Lordship.
consideration.
Process has already been initiated, Lordship.
And what about this attachment?
Yes, Lordship, this is
What-
there.
what is this
This is in paragraph 20, Lordship, they have stated in the,
Is it a
yes,
transfer?
Lordship,
Is it a
para.
transfer or new form? of
Yes, Lordship.
transfer?
The petitioner has not, because of non-furnishing of medical report, Lordship, they could not, that no effective order or withdrawal of this attachment could be materialized, Lordship. This
No,
is there.
What are you saying about the attachment? Is it a transfer or a different type
On
of?
this, Lordship, this is, there is nothing. This, no, in the first page, Lordship, the petitioner was not transferred but temporarily attached in the office of the district.
Where's
officer
that?
Majuri.
Where's that?
No, first page, Lordship, of the instruction. Yes, Lordship. In the first 2 lines, Lordship.
Was not transferred,
Yes.
but temporarily attached. So what is this attachment order?
Lordship, that I'm not aware of, Lordship. I called up the director, but he is in bereavement, Lordship. That's why I could not make any these things, Lordship. Proper communication. So this is, if your Lordship allow me, I can file it through affidavit.
It's
Or
okay, you want to
else-
file, interim will continue.
Yes.
Or
You want me
Lordship may
to-
pass a
you want me-
direction, Lordship, to make an application in proper format with all the medical documents, and the authorities will consider. That can be, Lordship.
It's up to you.
That your Lordship can do, we will file an application with the format as it is said and the concerned certificate of the doctor and the primus.
As they have
That will
already
file.
stated, Lordship.
Your Lordship may say, we will direct that we will file a fresh application for commuted leave with the medical documents.
You don't want a disposal. You want it disposed.
No, because your Lordships wanted 2 instructions, one on commuted leave, the other on
voluntary retirement, if they are initiating that process, they should really give your lordship some idea of how quickly they will do. That will solve the entire problem, my lord.
Heard Mr. P.K. Goswami, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. A.K. Boras. S. Yusuf.
As Yusuf.
S. Yusuf, Learned Counsel. M.S. M. Bhattacharya, Learned Additional Senior Government Advocate. Has produced a communication dated 30th October 2023.
16
No,
or
no,
16.
don't say like. On instructions. Submits. That the voluntary retirement. That the prayer for voluntary retirement made by the petitioner is under process. However, the request for community leave would not be processed as the same is not in proper format. So, in that view of the matter, petitioner is directed to file another application for community leave in the proper format within how many?
With the medical documents and
Along with all
within a
the-
week,
Along with all the
within a week.
conducted medical records within a period of 1 week from the start. Please, after the puja vacation.
Yes.
Interim order passed today to continue till the next.
The interim order will continue. Deep level.
Deeply obliged, Your Lord.
FTA.
The petitioner is a physically challenged person having 50% of physical disability. He is claiming his pensionary benefit, Your Lordships, as per the office memorandum, Your Lordships, which is annexures 33, wherein a family pension of a physically challenged person claim for his life, Your Honor. Annexure and page 33, number 2. And in accordance with the rule 59 of the CCS pension rule 2021, as son and daughter or sibling of a deceased government servant, pensioner who is suffering from mental or physical disability and is not earning his or her livelihood is eligible for family pension for life. The petitioner, annexure annexure 23, starts from 21. He is a physically challenged person, Your Honor.
Page?
Page 21, annexure D, is some certificate has been issued by the medical board, district and medical disability, having 50%. Annexure 23 also, there is a I-card has been issued. Annexure 23 and annexure 24 is a certificate has been issued by the district welfare officer. Annexure 20 F, page 24. But his
yes, who appears
GSC by the
where's the Union of India today?
Union.
You catch all of the Union of India.
No, sir. Union of Union of Union of
Yes.
58, I don't know, 58. I don't know, 58. Physically challenged person, pensioner benefit.
Yes, Your Lordship, I have to take instruction, Your Lordship.
You want notice to go or instructions?
Notice.
But Mr.
Age board.
Yes, borrowed on the council for the petition. Issue notice. MS.
K. Fukan.
K. Fukan, Learned CGC.
Yes, Your Lord.
Appears on behalf of
1, 2, and 3.
All.
I don't have copy, Your Lordship. I want
Yes,
copy.
Have you served a copy?
I've already served a copy. Before filing, a copy has to be furnished, you know. 1, 2, and 3.
On behalf of all respondents, in notice respondents are complete, however, extra copies will furnish. Respondents are all file counted up for this.
Lordship.
Oblige your lordship.
16, admission.
Lordship, can this item be taken after some time? Council Bigu is on legs in court number 5. Can be taken after some time, if possible.
Seventeen.
On the last 2, 3 occasions, the petitioner did not appear.
Let us give him one more chance. None appears for the petition. On 35/2022, when the matter was called up, none appeared. Another opportunity is given to the petition to make the parents list the matter on 15th of May.
19.
Please, your lordship, this matter may kindly be taken up after puja vacation, lordship. My senior, Mr. TJ Mahanta, is appearing in this case. Lordship, he has some difficulty today, lordship.
On request made on behalf of Mr. TJ Mahanta and Mr. Smith also. Please not to puja vacation.
Oblige, lordship.
Twenty-one to 27.
Lordship, I appear from item 22 onwards, the contempt cases. So Lordship, if Lordship takes up item 22, this is for non-payment of pensionary benefits. The single judge ordered to.
What about item 21?
The Lordship.
You are appearing for the petitioner.
Yes, petitioner.
What is the matter in item 21?
Not receiving the pension after retirement. And the petitioner has received 9,53,000. There is a balance of 9,41,680 rupees.
Okay. Your lordship, my senior, Mr. J. Roy, is in some another court. Kindly pass on for time being for this matter. He's appearing on behalf of ACE.
$28.
In this case, my lord, sufficient allowance has already been paid. Regarding revocation of suspension, they have to file affidavit. Till date, they have not filed affidavit. And
What is your suspension order?
order is 22, page 22. 26 November 2019.
You are under suspension till now?
Yes,
Yes, who appears?
Health Department.
এখানে সবচেয়ে announcement debt has been paid. No review, timely review was not done. Till date, no review was done. After 3 months, they initially, in 3 months, they have to review this case, but that has not done. They have to file affidavit in this regard, my lord. इनके चलो, एक मिनट।
Lordship, in this matter, Mr. Diukumni appears, but Lordship may pass over the matter for the time being. He's on legs, man. Okay.
After vacation, maybe.
Or Lordship may fix it after the vacation on the request of plan.
You want it after vacation?
Yes, ma'am.
On request made by Mr.
Yeah.
A. Ahmed. List of-
will-
Number 10 like that.
29,
May I please, Lordship? But on the last occasion, they wanted to obtain instruction lordship. In the interim lordship, if your lordship kindly tells the earlier order dated 19/3/2021. There was a direction to pay provisional pension. And to the.
Are you
unpaid
getting your subsistence?
Subsistence is giving, but so far the subsistence allowance lordship, provisional pension is paying. So far the subsistence allowance lordship. Area amount has not been paid.
Provisional pension you are getting.
Getting.
You have retired.
My lord. In the meantime, after suspension lordship, the petitioner retired.
Yes. Antique.
Lordship, my lord, did you provisional pension, my lord, the pension, my lord, deputy commissioner is the one.
That's what I said.
My lord, pen can say, Lordship.
Lordship, instruction is available, Lordship. We have communicated.
So this case is waiting for long lordship, long back.
2021 matter.
2021.
But they also, after 21, we have to discuss in September 23. I think in which there was no listening even.
So
They
that,
also have not taken. it.
No, it was listed on 25/9/2023.
Yes, Lordship, after.
On that day, they said. So you have received any instructions?
No, Lordship, we already have written, Lordship, we kindly fix it immediately after Puja holidays, Lordship.
But Mr. M. Ghan on the council. On request made by Mr. M. Bhattacharya, whether the senior government is up to the Puja holidays. In order to enable her to receive instructions.
my lord, date may be given lordship. After.
17.
Yes.
30,
May it please the Lordship. Lordship, as per last order, Assam University was supposed to seek instruction and along with relevant documents from Mahatma Gandhi Kashi Vidyapit. So as per our information, Kashi Vidyapit did not receive any response from the Assam University. So petitioner on the last occasion has submitted his last pay drawn salary.
1 minute. Yes, who? None appears for Assam? Who was appearing in the last occasion?
Kyle Advocate.
We take off after some time, you go and call them.
Thirty-one. Thirty-one.
31, my lord, Krishna is not absent, but I'm also praying for some time, my lord. 31.
None appears for the petitioner. Mr. N.J. Catania, learner standing counsels from the Education Department, prays for some time to enable him to receive instructions.
Well, latest instruction. my lord.
Latest instructions. Is allowed this after puja vacation.
Thirty-two.
May it please your worship. Lordship, in this matter, the petitioner's husband who was an ex-Workers employee under the respond number 6, my lord, that is
One minute,
executive
one
engineer. Yes, my lord.
This is item 32, isn't it?
Yes, my lord, 32.
Yes, yes. But then only one case is here. Oh, this was. Yes.
Yes, my lord. My lord, the petitioner husband is a ex-Workers employee under respond number 6, that is executive officer PWD Jorhat, my lord. My lord, he joined his service on 1/1/1988. Then my lord died on 6/11/2011 after rendering service for 23 years, my lord. Then my lord, there is a reported case law, my lord, that is Sanjita Roy and others, decided on 4/12/2018. My lord, in this case, several writ petitions are decided by this Honorable High Court, my lord, where direction issued to the respondent authorities to give benefit to the petitioners whose length of service as a masteral workers meets the benchmark of 20 years, my lord. My lord, my petitioner also fulfilled this criteria as he has already rendered his service for 23 years. Then my lord, kindly come to the page number 22, Annexure A1. My lord, this is the office communication letter by the respond number 6 to the respond number 4. My lord, here he submitted that.
Page 22.
Yes, my lord, page number 22.
Yes.
My lord, where he submitted that the employee, the deceased employee was initially appointed as a MR labor on 1/1/1988. Then my lord, his service upgraded to works as Godown Sokidar in dated 30/10/1996. And my lord, his service regularization had been left from the regularization list, my lord. Then my lord, we have also mentioned another reported case law in our pleading, that is Pradeep Chakraborty and others, my lord. My lord, in this matter, the court decided that works as employees, then masteral employees and other similar categories employees, my lord, who joined their services prior to 1/4/1993, my lord. They are entitled to regulation of their services, and also, my lord, they are entitled to pension and pensionary benefits.
Yes,
Lordship, I have received one instruction because the person was not regularized. He's first he joined as a work MR, then work charge. This is one copy I have received from the office.
My lord, his name is left
And
from the
sans-
regulation
and
list, my lord, due
regarding
to the mistake of officials, my lord. And
1 minute.
my lord, kindly dispose of the matter in the light of these both cases, my lord.
What do you say that the EE has submitted the family pension?
Submitted family pension to the office.
But it could not be traced out.
out.
How?
The lapse of the office, official.
You file an affidavit. After that, we'll take. Let him file an affidavit on the basis of this.
Lordship, may dispose of the matter, department will verify accordingly.
No, no, no.
Lordship.
On the other, in the other paragraph, you're saying the petitioner is not entitled to pension and benefits.
Yes, because of he is not regularized.
That is why I want an affidavit. After that, we'll discuss.
Lordship.
There are two rulings of this court.
Yeah.
She's relying on one division bench matter, isn't it? What is it?
Sanjita
Roy.
Sanjita Roy regularized, Lordship,
Yes,
regarding regularized person.
yes.
No,
Not
my lord.
regularized.
Sanjita Roy is the
Regularized
benchmark
person.
of 20 years.
Okay, Hurt MS,
J. Bezbora, my lord.
J. Besbora, and counsel for the petitioner. MS,
Yes, Sharma.
S. Sharma, then standing counsel. PWT,
Yes.
praise for how much time? 2 weeks?
2 weeks after, immediately after vacation.
Praise for 3 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Praise a lot. List the matter on.
Lordship, after
20 November.
20 November. Okay, my lord. Deeply obliged.
33,
a letter.
May I please, your lordship? The case of the petitioner here is that the petitioner son, late Gore Bahadur Lama, was working as a grade 4 employee under the establishment of respondent number 3. And after his death, his son served a period of total 10 years of service, and after his death, his mother didn't get any family pension. And she is now 82 years old.
Yes.
So,
Lordship, our instructions are clear in this matter. The petitioner's son was a casual worker. And we have filed an affidavit also. We have sent it to the department. In 1 or 2 days, it will be filed, Lordship. Otherwise, the petitioner had received an ex gratia according to the relevant policy, but
Okay, you file your affidavit,
Yes.
let us see. Hurt MS,
Yunanda.
Nandan, and the counsel for petitioner, Mr.
I bought it.
I. Botakul, understanding counsel, Forest Department submits. The affidavit has been sent for vetting and the same will be filed within a period of 1 week,
2 days, Lord.
within a period of 1 week from today. So,
Lordship, any date may be given.
yes. Accordingly, list this matter on 17th November.
Much obliged.
34,
Maybe so much. My lord, last occasion, direction was given to verify whether the AG has, my lord, whether the higher education has received the copy of 23/6/23 or not, my lord. And in fact, Lord, here in my lord.
Yes, higher education who affairs.
Lordship, D Upamanyu is appearing, your lordship. He is on legs, court number 17, your lordship. He is coming, your lordship. I am appearing for secondary education.
And the accountant general,
AG is Talun sir, my lord. I am Talun sir.
Rajesh Talukdar.
No, obviously. You can number the order.
AG who has that? AG.
In fact, my lord, higher education also forwarded all the relevant.
R.K.
documents to-
Talukdar.
Yes, R.K. Talukdar.
where is he? What is wrong with the union and the accountant general's office this morning?
And in fact, my lord, higher education also forwarded all the relevant records, that is service book, all this to the accountant general. It
No,
is
accountant
forwarded.
general is said that you are eligible.
Eligible for pro rata pension.
Pro rata pensions. What the higher education says is that they have not received that letter.
But if lordship may, if lordship may kindly go through this letter, lordship, 9 January 23. We are not denying that.
No, this is 9 January 2023.
Yes, it's, they forwarded all the relevant documents.
AG has written on 23/6/2023. That
23/6.
is what they are saying, that they have not received that particular letter. So where is the higher education?
This coming.
AG, Lordship, my senior is on next. Kindly keep it for.
How many standing councils are there, Accountant General?
Lordship, he has some instruction to submit.
How many standing councils are there? Only one standing council is there?
3, 4, I think.
So where are the others?
Give recordings, Lordship.
Or Lordship had taken up the matter at 2, my lord.
After some time.
Yes.
Let them come. Not at 2.
Keep your place.
35.
My lord, page 15, my lord. I'll take your lordship to our prayer first. Page 15.
Yes, government advocate, any instructions?
Lordship, on last occasion, as per direction, Lordship, letter has been written, Lordship, but we are yet to receive the instruction, Lordship.
With regard to the disciplinary proceedings?
Yes, Lordship. Status report of the inquiry.
Heard, Mr.
F. Khan.
F. Khan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Stop. MS M. Bhattacharya, Learned, additional senior government, praise for another 2 weeks time. To enable her to make some instructions with regard to the status of the disciplinary proceeding pending against the petition. This after the puja vacation.
Obliged, man.
Deeply obliged, Your Lord.
36.
May I please, your lordship?
Yeah.
So we have implemented the finance as a party, my lord, party respondent. We have filed the implement petition and served the
One
copy.
minute, 1 minute. What is this IA?
We have
IA is for what?
for implement the party, finance as a party.
For implement.
Yes, my lord.
You want to implement the finance department?
Yes, my lord.
Yes, any objections you have in the IA?
Also,
Third MS,
M Das, my lord.
M Das, Learned Counsel for the applicant. Follow by this application, the applicant is praying for implement of the Commissioner and Secretary to the Government of Assam, Finance Department, Tispu, Guwahati, as party respondent number.
5, my lord.
Are you sure? Party respondent number. 5. In WBC number
My lord, 5272.
5272 of 2022. Stop. MS
S. Conwar.
Conwar, S. Conwar, Learned Counsel, Learned Standing Council
Standing Council, Lordship. 1, 2, and 4,
for the
Education Department.
Standing Council, School Education Department has no objections. Para, this court has also produced the cause shown in the present application. And the prayer and is satisfied accordingly, the prayer for implementation is allowed. In view of the order passed again, so and so. Let so and so be implemented as party response number 5. Petitioner is directed to file an amended cost title within a period of 1 week.
My lord.
List after puja application.
Obliged, my lord.
37,
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, this matter relates to dismissal without inquiry, my lord. That is the dismissal order at page 41, my lord.
Yes, government.
Page 41. This dismissal order, page 41.
Yes.
But yes, this is the order, my lord. Thereafter, my lord,
Yes.
thereafter, my lord, as per provision of the Act, my lord, Assam Municipal Act, I have filed an appeal before the state government. That is at next page 42. And accordingly, my lord, my appeal was allowed, and I was the municipal board was directed to reinstate me, which is page 47, my lord, in the appellate order, my lord. Page 47.
Yes. That,
Thereafter, my lord, again, my lord, Director Municipal Administration written a letter to the Executive Officer Amguri Municipal Board, that is just page 50, my lord. He has also reiterated and directed them to restate me, my lord. That is just page 50.
Yeah.
Thereafter, they have not taken any step. Therefore, I have filed this writ petition before this honorable court, seeking directions to the municipal board to comply with the government order and reinstate me, my lord. Similar case was disposed of by this honorable court. That is the same authority, my lord, dispose of directing me to. In that case, my lord, 2 person was removed. So 1 person was reinstated by virtue of this order, my lord. Now I am left out.
Yes.
Lordship, first of all, Lordship, the impugn order, Lordship, the office order dated 24/3/2022, Annex of 4, page 41, Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, that was issued by the chairman Amguri Municipal Board, Lordship. Now the board is not before your Lordship.
In spite of service of notice, they have not appeared.
But that should be first, this board is not before this one. I think. And therefore, Lordship, I have to take instruction, Lordship, from a respondent 4. Respondent 4 is the.
No, you have been given sufficient time.
No, Lordship, here in this case, Lordship, the main party, Lordship, here in this case is not before this Lordship.
Let
And
us see the
now-
notice. Let us see the notice.
Yes, Lordship, notice is there. Oh, I do admit it, Lordship. But at the same time, Lordship.
If they don't want to appear, that's a different issue.
No, but
We are not voted.
but now, Lordship, it is liberty may be granted to respondent 4, Lordship. The 4 is the executive officer of that municipality board. I have to take instruction on this regard from him.
But have you taken instructions?
So, Lordship, I kindly fix the matter immediately after Puja vacation, Lordship. I will take all the instruction, Lordship.
Here it says, Mr. So-and-so, government advocate press for is granted 10 days
Lordship,
further time to
This
procure
is
reports.
for last, Lordship. This is last chance may be given to me, Lordship. And after vacation, immediately after vacation, I will submit. Lordship.
Okay. What, Mr.
H. Rahman.
H. Raman, Learned Counsel for the petition. Mr. J.K. Goswami, Learned
1, 2, and 4.
Additional Senior Government. Press for last chance to enable him to receive instructions and to produce the reports. Stop. Prayer is allowed as last chance. Please, after the Puja vacation.
Lordship.
Our date may be fixed, otherwise it will not come.
No, it will come definitely. Any day.
20 November.
Lordship.
Obligement.
21 to 27.
My lord, I pray that my lord, these matters are pending for retirement dues. my lord.
Yes.
Let it be in the month of second week of December. My lord, the file is before the finance department. We are waiting for the grant from the government. My lord. So let it be in the second week of December, my lord.
I have no objection, but this is the same thing that is happening since 2020.
We pay,
Every year money is sanctioned, the file is pending somewhere, thereafter we don't get anything. And then again, the next year, the same, they have even filed an affidavit to that extent.
we are paying from time to time, my lord. Not
19
that we have not
directions
paid
were
this
issued.
year.
4 years have passed.
Because we are under financial crunch, madam. We are paying it, in last year also we paid some amount and we are regularly paying it, madam. If in case, in that case, I'll file a affidavit. my
Lordship,
lord.
sometimes they pay us 10,000 rupees, 20,000 just before puja, as if they are doing us a favor for serving their department for our entire career, Lordship. But still more than 50-60% of the dues are pending.
Earlier, you were paid 25,000 each.
Yes. But
That you have received.
yes, we have received certain amounts, Lordship, but not.
And then you said the balance budget is will be placed in the budget season.
Yes, last time on it, 2021-22.
My lord, I'll say the position, my lord. In case of Labendra Datta, my lord, we paid 8 lakh something was there, my lord, 4,09,600 we paid. Now the balance is 8,68,000. Then Sumi Roy we paid, balance is around 8,14,000. Then Anisul Haq, my lord, 2,79,670. Then Safiqur Rahman, 2,76,000. Then Pradut Saika, 8,21,000. Usha Rani, 11,80,000. And
Okay, Roy, where's the, what file is pending in the finance?
my lord, it is end of that budget sanction, my lord. Budget is sanctioned because we have no money, my lord, to pay. So budget sanction, it is the last tender of the finance department. That's what I said, man, let it be the month of second week of December, my lord. I hope so, my lord, that file will be cleared.
Mr. J. Roy, Learned Senior Counsel for the Senior counsel assisted by
B Shah.
MS B Shah, legal counsel for the Assam State
Transport Corporation.
Assam State Transport Corporation submits that the file is presently pending before the Finance Department for really
For the grant, my lord,
for
budget sanction, my lord.
for budget sanction. And therefore submits that the matter be listed the second week of December 2026. Now, this again on, I'll give a date.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
13th December, is it okay?
Fine.
This-
Worship, in the meantime, if the files are clear, our dues may be paid.
That will automatically.
Highly obliged.
My lord, let it be on my 14th, my lord. 13th. 14th.
40.
Highly obliged.
$38.
May I please? My lord, in this case, my lord, petitioner is retired from service, my lord, from the Tesco University. And after retirement, my lord, an amount of rupees 20,77,000 is held up, my lord.
Why?
As per there, my lord, I was in service, I was in the application post, my lord. For which I am not qualified. My lord, kindly come to the page number 31, my lord. While I was in deputation, my lord, in the post, my lord, for which I am not eligible, my lord. That is their allegation.
Tesco University.
Yes, my lord. Irregular appointment to the post of internal audit officer and finance officer, my lord. Both the post, my lord, I was on deputation, my lord.
Yeah, who appears?
Lordship, in this case, Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of the respondent number 4, my lord. That is CAG, my lord. His appointing authority is the Tesco University, my lord.
Who appears for Tesco University?
I am appearing for Tesco University on behalf of Mr. SK Mehdi, CGC.
They file affidavit, my lord, they have not disputed, my lord. They
As per
supported
our
my case.
affidavit, Lordship, everything has been done in compliance of the observation of respondent number 4, Lordship.
Then is respondent number 4 has to be clarified the position.
Yes, I have filed affidavit, my lord.
Okay.
But my lord, copy I have not received, my lord, ma'am.
You have not received a copy?
I have filed, my lord. This is the acknowledgement is also there.
When did you file it?
Lordship, it was filed on 29/8, my lord. Or 24/8/2023, my lord.
Yes. Okay, heard Mr. D. Gogol, learned counsel for the petitioner. So, Mr. Architect Talukder, learned standing counsel,
CAG, my lord.
CAG. Or CGC.
CAG, Comptroller and Auditor
No,
General.
no, no, are you CGC? No.
No, lordship.
Then standing counsel CAG submits that he has filed counter affidavit on 24/8/2023, which is on record. So, stop, the same is on record, stop. However, stop, then the standing counsel CAG shall furnish a copy of the counter affidavit filed by the respondent number 4 to the learned counsel for the petitioner. Yeah, today itself,
Lordship, today.
within the course of the day. Stop. Please, doctor.
My lord, date may be fixed now, after vacation. Because it is a retirement benefit. my lord.
In the second term.
Deeply obliged.
39.
May I please, lordship, matter relates the non-payment of financial obligation to the petitioner. Lordship, annexure F, page 29, lordship.
Yes.
Yes. So respondent authority has allowed me for financial upgradation
Lordship. But till that they have didn't pay that.
Yes, who have this?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, kindly see the page number, page 30, Lordship. Page 30, Annexure Z.
Hmm.
In response to the letter filed on 23/05/2022 by the petitioner Lordship, it is clearly stated that as per the service book audit report number so and so dated 30/01/2021, pay fixation record in your.
That I've seen.
Yes, Lordship.
Have you filed your affidavit?
No, Lordship, I have to file.
Why are you taking so long?
After puja vacation.
But Mr.
G Kakoti.
G. Kakuti, let me come to. Yeah, Mr. G. P. To come in and it's around 2 weeks time to file complaint. Please.
Yeah, Lordship, I am also there, respondent number 6 and 7, AGCL,
MS,
K Fukan.
K. Fugan, then it's TGC.
No, your Lordship, AGCL,
Council appears for the respondent
6 and 7.
6 and 7. Stop. This after the puja.
40. May I please your lordships? The petitioner were engaged as peon on 28/1/2005. That's page 17. In the engagement letter, lordship 17. At fixed pay, employee of the Panchayat, Gaon Panchayat office worships. That is on 28/1. He joined the service on 3/2/2005. Initially, it was fixed pay, but subsequently it was enhanced to rupees 4,500. Page 20 lordships. That government enhanced the rate. But for the petitioner also got the same, his name in the enlisted. Thereafter, again, it is enhanced to rupees 7,200. Petitioner got it. But thereafter, lordships, some of the employees, casual master employees, approached this court for regulation of their services. This honorable court, single judge allowed their petitions directly to regularize the service, but it was challenged before the division bench by the state. State lordship, division bench set aside the judgment of the single judge, but directing to pay the pay scale to the petitioners.
Minimum pay scale.
Minimum pay scale, open that lordship. On the basis of that, lordship will find page 51.
Hmm.
7 December 2019, Panchayat Department granted minimum pay scale to the person's lordships, but petitioner was deprived of. Here, prior to that, lordship come to page lordship. Prior to that, one government has issued a sanction letter for release of the minimum pay scale, but in the said letter, I do not have, but my date of joining was incorrectly recorded. Government agreed to pay, finance were agreed to pay those who are appointed prior to 1/9/2005. 1/9/2000 cutoff date, 1/9/2005. Petitioner and appointed on 28/1/2005, this was prior to that. But unfortunately, the date of joining written in the government list 30/12/2005. Then he filed an application for correction. That is page 47. Prior for correction of the joining date, order dated 3rd January 2019, this required checklist. In that list, the date of joining was wrongly recorded as 30/12. Lordship, in the contents, with reference to subjects, I have the honor to state that my joining date 3/2/2005, but the Commissioner Panchayat Rural Department Assam order dated Guwahati 3rd January 2019 as per checklist under Hailakandi Jilla Parishad 42 numbers of government approved casual workers regarding the mistake date of joining 30/12/2005. The Chief Executive Officer, Jila Parishad, Hailakandi submission of verification reports dated 31/19 in my joining date. The petitioner submitted that application before the commissioner. Pursuant to this, the commissioner directed to verify the same. Then page 13, Lordship will find
13.
50, annexure 13, page 50. This letter issued by the Secretary of the Panchayat Lordship to the Chief Executive Officer, Jila Parishad. Submission of enquiry and proper verification of record in respect of casual workers. Reference number so and so letter, that was letter issued by Jila Parishad Lordship, 9th of September. My name Lordship find A.M. Masood Lashkar, petitioner. Casual employee, second call, third call, Narayanpur, Tupkana, Gaon Panchayat. Then engagement letter dated that earlier which I have Lordship read about the engagement letter, that is, and date of joining 3/2. This was also forwarded. After forwarding, in spite of forwarding this correction letter, in the meantime, 7 December 2019, page 51. The minimum pay scale provided to other employees, but my name did not been considered. But in lesson may I read, in persons of finance department notification number so and so, letter number so and so, the following casual workers under Panchayat and Rural Development Department who were engaged prior to AFRMB period, that is 1st September 2005. Notification, government notification number so and so, dated 26/8/2005, are hereby allowed to draw fixed wages remuneration of rupees 15,900 with their allowances, which will undergo revision whenever pay scale changes based on enhancement, DA, and recommendation of pay commission, along with medical allowance of rupees 600 per month. The casual workers will report the Commissioner Panchayat Rural Development Assam for further placing the services to concerned Jila Parishad, Anjali Panchayat Development. For this, then further eligible casual workers will be covered under the Pradhan Mantri Suraksha Bima Yojana. Then Lordships, column 5. With paragraph page 52, column 4. This will come into force with effect from 1/2/2018 for release of benefits till date. Then column 5, area claims from 1/8/2017 to 30/11/2020 shall be considered after cabinet approval in the financial year. In terms of judgment, Lordship Court directed to pay their area scale with effect and so on. So initially with given effect 1/12/2018. Subsequently, government also allowed the area pay scale to them, but till today my name has not been considered, although I am entitled and eligible for get the same, because as
You are not getting your minimum pay.
minimum pay scale, Lordship,
Yes.
this covered case.
My lord, I'll have to seek instructions from the department whether the verification report has been forwarded to the finance department or not. And in case it has been forwarded, then finance's approval has been.
Mr. F. Barwell and the council for the. Mr.
P. Handicap
P. Hendrik, then standing council,
on behalf of K1.
then the council appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Kunwar. Then the standing council,
Senior standing,
senior standing council,
PNRD,
PNRD. Price for how much time?
2 weeks time.
2 weeks time to receive. Price about, please after the application.
I am praying for fixing a date, Lordship, similar to a person getting their scale, Lordship.
So not extra copies may be provided.
I already provided to them. What is
Second about,
to me, Nancy,
you please check some extra copies.
all right, one copy, earlier I already provided one copy, I'll provide him, Lordship. Date, I'm praying for
22nd.
22nd of November. Oblige, Lordship.
41.
Take a copy, I'll give it, ask him. May I please? So this is ready for disposal, my lord. If my understand is ready, I'll proceed, my lord.
Are you ready?
Lordship, Lordship can be fixed on another day, Lordship. I need some more time to prepare it, Lordship.
Otherwise, ready, my lord, what they have this test.
Complete, Lordship.
Second round of litigation, my lord. What happened, my lord, that MSCTS benefit and wrongly rejected, my lord.
Okay, heard Mr. V. Bukarest and counsel to petition. On request made by MSC, the local and government. Please, doctor,
Immediately after vacation, a date may be given, my lord.
please come. 15th.
Obliged.
42.
For timing, lordship, my senior leg put 20, lordship, after some time, lordship.
You are ready otherwise.
Lordship, we are filing affidavit today, so copy also, sir. So,
Today.
Lordship. Urgency there, lordship, my senior coming, lordship, after some time.
That affidavit is not on record. We'll have to list it some other day.
Lordship.
Your good name, please.
J. Akhtar, lordship.
Heard MSJ Akhtar and counsel for the petitioner.
N. Bora.
MS
N. Bora.
N. Boral and standing counsel.
PNR.
PNRT submits that she is filing affidavit in opposition within the course of the day. Stop. Accordingly, list the matter. You want a date? After the Puja vacation.
Not.
43.
This matter relates to compassionate family pension.
My lord, in this case, lordship, I am for the second wife, lordship, respondent number 8. I need to file my reply, lordship, affidavit. In opposition, lordship.
Both the sides are suffering, my lord. The
Yes, of
petitioner
course,
as well as
some
the.
allegations are there, lordship. I am the second wife, lordship. I should have to controvert that. I am
Okay,
also
but Mr. Ola.
for early disposal of the
Counsel
matter,
for the
lordship, through the petitioner.
Mr.
K. M. Majumdar, lordship.
K. M. Majumdar, London Council, appearing for respond number
8, lord.
8. Place for how much time?
Lordship, after vacation, any day subject to
Place
continue.
for 3 weeks time to file contract.
A date may be fixed.
Place for note. Please,
It may be in the month of November, lordship,
20.
21st, maybe,
21st is the hearing date.
lordship. Or 27, lordship, or 26, lordship. It may be on 26. Motion day, lordship.
26 is a Sunday.
Sorry. Then 27, lordship.
27 is a holiday.
Lordship, it may be on 29, lordship. I'll file my affidavit, lordship, and that may be.
44.
Like.
Lordship, matter pertains to non-payment of subsistence allowance since the date of appointment, lordship suspension. I have been
Where is your suspension order?
suspension is lordship, your lordship will find at page number 25. In the suspension order, it is clearly stated and directed to pay the lordship subsistence allowance to the petitioner.
44.
1995,
Yes, your lordship.
and you are still under suspension.
Yes, your lordship. No departmental proceeding has been drawn up by this.
Yes.
We have filed our affidavit.
Hmm.
In our affidavit, we have.
Lordship, in the state has filed the affidavit stating that lordship, I have not given the non-engagement certificate. Accordingly, I have submitted the non-engagement certificate, and thereafter this matter has been listed. Lordship. And
Which affidavit? Respondent number?
Respondent number, my lord,
the director has filed respondent number 2, lordship.
elementary education.
Yes. Page.
Page 38, your lordship will find at page number para 6, lordship.
You have already retired.
Yes, your lordship. No departmental proceeding, nothing has been done, lordship, till today.
And in a similar situated matter, Lordship, your Lordship has directed to pay within 45 days, Lordship. Because he was also suspended in the year 1994, Lordship.
Where's your non-engagement certificate?
Your Lordship will find my additional affidavit. At page number, your Lordship will find at page number 51.
When did you submit this?
Your Lordship, I have submitted on 26/9/23, Lordship.
Yes.
I may dispose of the matter or it's another that I have to say take instruction whether this submitted or not. Because my lord, there is no
Lordship,
specific date is mentioned
that
in
is
this
there,
application.
that
my
is
lord.
there. I have given a page to sir.
It would be
Page number
index of that is there,
It was in September.
my lord. But
Page number 50.
Whether you have received this employment certificate.
Lordship, serial number is, receipt number is 1847. On 27/9/2023. I have enclosed that one, Lordship. Under page number
Yes.
50.
Lordship may dispose of.
Hmm?
Lordship may dispose of in the in terms of.
What are you playing in this petition?
Your Lordship will find my para at page number, Lordship, for 13, Lordship. Direction to release the subsistence allowance to the petitioner, and also, Lordship, to quash and set aside the impugn, Lordship, suspension order dated 3/6/1995.
Yes, what are you saying about the suspension order?
That is suspension, my lord.
Is praying for quashing of the suspension
My
order.
lord.
Have you reviewed that order at any point of time?
After so many years. Lordship may pay, that lordship may fix immediately after vacation, my lord.
In the meantime, your
meantime,
Lordship
my
will
lord.
be directed to pay the subsistence allowance. If the.
Regarding
if
the
matter-
subtraction, I have to take instruction.
Yes, subsistence
Okay,
allowance.
heard, Mr.
D. Sharma, Deba
D.
Sharma.
Sharma, legal counsel for the petition. On request made by Mr.
B Talukdar,
P. Talukdar, Land Standing Council,
elementary education.
Elementary Education Department, lease the matter again on 15th November.
Lordship, in the meantime,
In the meantime, comma, if the petitioner has not paid the subsistence allowance, comma, the same shall be paid to him within a period of 1 month.
Yes, yes. Highly obliged.
Obliged.
45.
May present.
Yes.
In this case, here is a mother before your lordship.
Hmm?
The mother is claiming the commission family pension, share of family pension.
Hmm.
Fact of the case is that mother pays 20 your lordship and your lordship. Mother is the next kin. Her son was the associate professor who died before his due date of superannuation on 26/10/2028. Page 20, your lordship, next kin certificate, next of kin.
Hmm.
4 person is next of kin, your lordship. 34 next is mother, your lordship. She was fully dependent on her son. After the death of your son, now the respondent number 7. Wife of, this is son,
Number 7.
wife. Zainab Ahmed, she is receiving the family pension years without giving share to the petitioner. Your Lordship. Wife. And she also a government employee. She is a headmistress of an LP school. Your Lordship, turn to page 43. Yes, a government notification is there, page 43.
Yes.
43, or government notification, 14th September 2017. Next page, Your Lordship, and this page 44 is a bottom, Your Lordship. Clause number 5.10, Your Lordship. It is also provided that if the parents or other eligible family members are not looked after by the compassionate family pensioner, on receipt of such complaint from them, the competent authority will issue orders apportioning the compassionate family pension appropriately among the other eligible family members.
Did you die in harness?
Died in harness, Your Lordship.
Your husband
Your Lordship.
or your son?
Son, Your Lordship.
He died in harness.
Died in harness, Your Lordship.
Okay. Then
We have filed a representation.
you file your complaint.
Complaint, Your Lordship. Complaint, page 40, Your Lordship. Before the
Page?
secretary, 40. That- Now she is facing extreme financial hardship because not a single coin has been paid by the respondent 7. And moreover, respondent 7 also government employee. Earlier also she filed complaint on 11/2/22. And
Then
Honorable Court by order dated 15/5/2023, Your Lordship kindly says court's order 15/5/2023.
page.
No, Your court's order, this in this petition. 15/5/23. Directed the government respond authorities to instruction. 15/5/23, Your Lordship. Directed the respond authorities to apprise this court, standing council education. Why no action has been taken?
Yes, who appears?
I am appearing on behalf of the department, Lordship, the Higher Education Department, 1 and 4, Lordship. The private respondent is there, and Lordship, there is
Notice or
Pranam. Lordship, notice was issued, Lordship.
notice already served, Your Lordship. Dosti service. Notice complete.
Justice, sir.
Dosti served, Your Lordship. Not filed evidence. He accepted the notice also. Evidence also I have accepted, Your Lordship. No, opposition also there.
Yes.
Lordship, there is another Pranam something in the Board of Revenue Building, Lordship. If the compassionate family pension receiver doesn't look after the, there is a provision, Lordship, they can go there also.
That they have taken steps.
Lordship, to date effect, Lordship, whether 5.10 is can be done, Lordship. I'll get the instruction, Lordship.
But Mr.
Yes, Islam.
Yes, Islam also put this here. Mr. D. Ubamania.
Yes, Lordship, the Upamani.
D. Ubamania, then the standing council.
Higher education.
Higher Education Department. First, sometime to execute. Please after the.
Fix a date immediately after vacation. Otherwise surviving, Your Lordship.
17th.
Apply. Immediately after vacation.
That's why 17.
46.
No, this matter is relating non-payment of some area salary lordship. Petitioner has already retired from service and he is receiving lordship provisional pension. But I am limiting my prayer lordship. As the proposal has already been submitted by the principal to the inspector of the school, and inspector of the school has already submitted to the director of secondary education. Well, let the matter be disposed of directly the director to examine the claim of the petitioner and to pass appropriate order instead of keeping the matter.
Where's
Page 40. This is the proposal submitted by head principal to the inspector of school and page 41.
1 minute. What is the amount?
Amount that is your lordship will find.
Anyway,
18 lakhs 5,192. Page 46 is the,
1,85,000.
sorry, lordship, 1,85,000.
1,85,000.
190.
It is still pending before the director.
My lord.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship, already notice has been issued, your lordship. Kindly grant us 3 weeks time to file our appropriate.
No, let the director consider the proposal.
That will be very good.
And if the petition is found entitled, then appropriate steps will be taken.
Yes, sir.
I'm not saying give a pay the area salary.
After
To
verification. of
examine and
proper
verify,
identification.
and if
Yes,
the
your lordship.
petition is found eligible. But M. Khan and the concept of petition. Stop.
Your lordship, I pray for your lordship, immediate after vacation, your lordship to
Same
obtain
thing will
proper instruction, your lordship. Then your lordship may pass appropriate order, your lordship in this.
Same
regard.
thing will happen. After
Last-
examining lordship, you will pass order. It is, there is no,
That's the same thing, I think.
same thing will happen.
Last chance to file a affidavit, your lordship.
Okay. MS,
T Das.
P. Das, Standing Council, Standing Council.
Secondary education.
Secondary education.
Respondent 1, 3, 5 and 6.
It's allowed 2 weeks time as last chance to file contract. List on. 10th November.
Deeply obliged.
48.
It is a lordship. My lord, and before your lordship, my lord, challenging the order of suspension, my lord. Order of suspension, lordship will find at page 32. Before that, my lord, I beg your lordship to kindly allow me to show your lordship some documents, my lord. Originally, my lord, I was posted as accountant at Kaline Development Block. Thereafter, my lord, I was sent to then another development at Katigora with additional duty, my lord. Good duty. That order lordship will find at page 25. On 10/3/2023, I was sent to Katigora Development Block, my lord, with addition to my additional duties. Thereafter, my lord, I was released from that block at page 31. The order dated 26/6/2023 issued by the Chief Executive Officer. That means, my lord, on 26/6/2023, I was serving at Katigora Development Block, my lord. And I was released from that post on 26/6/2023. After releasing, my lord, I came back to my original post at Kaline Development Block. And the next page, my lord, at page 32. This is the impugn order dated 19/8/2023, issued by the Commissioner, Concerned Rural Development. That order has been issued on the basis of the letter dated 9/6/2023, issued by the Chief Executive Officer, the same authority which released me on 26/6/2023. Lordship will find at a previous page. That authority, my lord, on 9/6/2023, informed the Commissioner that I was not attending duties from 10/4/2023. The same authority released me on 26/6/2023, but same authority informed the Commissioner that I was not attending duty with effect from 10/4/2023. So this is, my lord, apparently factually this is not correct, my lord. The second ground is there's lots of anomalies going on in respect of flagship programs, my lord, as a MREGA, PMAG, and 15 Finance Commission. I was entrusted with the duties only with, my lord, PMAY that G. So I am not concerned with the other schemes, my lord. And one thing is this, my lord, at present, before issuing the suspension order, I was serving in my original post that at Kaline Development Block, my lord. So there is no occasion for me to tamper with the records, my lord. It relates to some other division. And lordship will find it page 33. It will fortify that I was in Kalaigora Development Block after 10/4 till 26/6. At page 33, these are the payment receipts, my lord. That first, my lord, will find this is the number, my lord. This amount was disbursed, and date is 27/4/2023. The allegation is that I was not in that in my new post at Katigora from 10/4, but this shows, my lord, on 27/4/2023, the funds were released. The funds can only be released after I sign the document, my lord, since I am the accountant and the concerned video, So, my lord, in my respectful submission, my lord, this suspension order has been issued on the basis of some incorrect facts, my lord, which are not related to me.
Lord, there are few points which I would like to point out. Lord, first of all, I would like to draw your attention to page 14, para 15.
Page
14, para 15.
Now it says that the petitioner, after issuance of the impugned order, impugned order dated 19/8/2023.
Down below, my lord, page 14.
Para 15. Serial number 15.
Filed an appeal under Rule 14 of the Rules of 1964 before the respondent number 2 on 25/8/2023 with a request to cancel the said impugned order, placing the petitioner under suspension. However, till date, the respondent number 2 has not taken any action to consider the statutory appeal filed by the petitioner. The impugned action of the respondent number 2 would clearly go to show that the said respondent is deliberately sitting over the matter without any valid and cogent reason, only to harass the petitioner.
So that is the allegation that he has leveled on the respondent number 2, which is the commissioner. That he has filed an appeal before the commissioner, and the commissioner is merely sitting on. My lord, now the impugned order has been passed by the commissioner, which he has rightfully shown to you. Now, my lord, I would like to draw your attention to Rule 14 of the Assam Services Discipline and Appeal Rules 1964.
Page
440, my lord. 440.
Yes.
So, my lord, the impugned order was passed by the commissioner on 19/8/2023
Now, as per Rule 14, Part 5 appeals. Rule 14 talks about appeals against orders of suspension. A government servant may appeal against an order of suspension of the authority to which the authority which made or is deemed to have made the order is immediately subordinate. So as per this particular rule, he should have filed an appeal before the secretary. He has filed an appeal before the same body, before the same authority that has passed the impugned order. And now he's saying that the commissioner is sitting on it. He does not have the authority to adjudicate an appeal, my lord. He has to file it before a secretary, under secretary, joint secretary, whosoever was the first secretary above the commission in the hierarchy. So my lord may, on this preliminary issue, dispose of this writ petition by directing him to file an appeal before the appropriate authority and let the appropriate authority take a decision against the order of the commissioner.
My lord,
His appeal is at page 35 to 38, my lord. There's an alternative forum available under the rules. Page 35 to 38, my lord, he has filed the appeal before the commissioner only, and he's saying that the commissioner is sitting on it.
yes, my lord, what is submitted by my learned friend, my lord, is absolutely correct, my lord. But my lord, the commissioner is not that too powerless that he can forward, that he cannot forward this application to the appropriate authority, my lord.
Why didn't you make a separate appeal?
My lord,
Well, he's delaying the matter.
we are not dealing the matter, my lord.
Whatever is.
My lord, in that case, my lord, we'll file the appeal before the appropriate authority, my lord. But my prayer at this stage would be till consideration of that appeal, my lord, that's impugned suspension order may kindly be stayed, my lord.
Why should it be stayed, my lord?
My
Even
lord,
if I go into
my lord,
merits,
the impugned suspension order has been issued, my lord, on factually incorrect materials, my lord.
my lord, that is for the disciplinary committee to adjudicate. Quantum, my lord, I'll draw your attention
My
to
prayer
rule
is,
6.
my lord, against the suspension order, my lord.
See, you're filing an appeal before the immediate authority.
My lord, my lord.
If I state the suspension order, what's the purpose of filing the appeal again?
My lord, I am presently posting a different division, my lord. So purpose of
So what
suspension
I'm
order is
doing-
that, my lord, the official cannot hamper the tempered evidences, my lord. There's no occasion for me to go to another division and temper the evidences, my lord. This is the main requirement for placing a employee under suspension, my lord, so that he cannot temper the evidences, my lord. There is no scope for me, my lord. I am presently serving a different station, my lord.
If you don't want to file an appeal, that's a different issue.
My lord, in his interim relief, he's seeking the main relief. He wants the fruits of the main relief. In fact, my lord, there is rule 6 of the Assam Services Discipline and Appeal Rules
That, yes,
1964,
my lord.
page 429. My lord, page 429 suspension is the heading is suspension. It says the appointing authority or any authority to which it is subordinate or any other authority empowered by the governor in that behalf may place a government servant under suspension where a disciplinary proceeding against him is contemplated or is pending. So the department is now going to initiate a disciplinary proceeding
ma'am.
against him.
They
It is
can- they
contemplating
can-
it. So under those grounds, my lord, he has been duly suspended.
Why
And my lord,
suspended, my lord?
in fact, on a bare perusal of the impugned order, he has been suspended on 2 grounds. There is an inquiry that had taken place, and those findings have shown that there have been certain discrepancies, there have been certain embezzlement in the PMAY scheme wherein he was employed. And now after that, my lord, rule 9 would come into picture where a proper disciplinary proceedings will be initiated again.
We are not
That
against
is
the
all
disciplinary
against-
proceeding, my lord. We are ready to face the disciplinary proceeding, my lord.
Suspension is a part of it.
But
No
why
proceeding
they
is-
are suspending me, my lord?
Because you
That I cannot tamper with the evidence, my lord. It is an admitted fact that I am posting in some other station, my lord, not in the Katigora.
Well, let him state all these facts before the secretary.
Whatever it is,
Let him
it's
file an
up to you. You want to file your, otherwise you have, let them file the affidavit, that's the whole thing. If you want to file an appeal,
My
I'll
lord.
giving a direction that the appeal should be disposed of within a time frame.
Time bound. My lord can make
That's-
it time bound.
That's one thing.
My lord.
Otherwise, if you want to proceed on merits, Then let them file the
Thank
affidavit.
you very much.
That will drag the matter even long, my lord. I mean, in fact, my lord may direct the secretary
My
to
lord,
make it.
limited time frame can be fixed, my lord. For disposal of my appeal, my lord, I will file it immediately, my lord, before. Dispose of the- I'll file, my lord, within a week, my lord, thereafter, within a limited time frame, my lord, my appeal may be disposed of, my lord. And order may kindly be communicated to me.
Yes. But Mr. RM Dega.
Yes, please.
Then counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr.
P-handed.
P and D,
For
then
K.
counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Kunwar. Then it's standing counsel, PNRD department. For the respondents,
1 to 4, my lord. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All of them.
all respondents, all respondents. Who is your first order that was that
The impugned order is at page 32, my lord.
no.
At page 25, lordship will find, my lord. By that order, my lord, I was directed to attend Katigora Development Block, my lord. That too at least 3 days in a week, my lord, or not the whole week, at least 3 days in a week.
By an office order dated 10/2/2023. The petitioner was temporarily attached at Katigora Development Block for PMAY-G program. In addition to his normal duties at Kalyan Development Block until further orders. Stop. By another order dated 10/3/2023. The petitioner was allowed to continue as in charge accountant of Katigora Development Block. For disposal of routine work of all rural development program. In addition to his normal duties at Kalyan Development Block until further notice. Stop. While the petitioner was functioning as such, the commissioner, Panchayat and Rural Development Assam by an order dated 19/8/2022 placed the petitioner under suspension on under Rule 6 within bracket 1 within bracket A of Assam Service within bracket Discipline and Appeal Rules 1964 within bracket 19 rules of 1964 and clause. On the ground that the petitioner is not attending Katigora Development Block since 10th April 2020. Stop. Being aggrieved with the suspension order dated 19/8/2023. Petitioner filed an appeal before the commissioner from Panchayat and Rural Development Assam on filed an appeal dated 25/8/2020 before this. Stop. The case of the petitioner is that he has been suspended on grounds which are totally incorrect. And that the appeal made by him is also yet to be considered by the Commissioner, Panchayat and Rural Development Assam. So, Mr.
P. Handing.
P. Handing. Learned Counsel. Appearing on behalf of Mr. K. Conwell and extending counsel PNRD submits that in terms of Rule 14 or 15, correct?
14, my lord.
Rule 14, madam.
Rule 14 of the rules of 1964. Petitioner has to make his appeal.
Has to make an appeal before the immediate superior. That is
Before the immediate superior.
superior authority.
Before the immediate who passed the suspension order. Stop. He therefore submits that the petitioner has approached the wrong forum. And accordingly, a direction be issued to the petitioner to file an appeal before the appropriate forum. And a time frame will be given to dispose of such appeal. If the petitioner and such appeal, stop. After hearing the legal counsel for the parties and on consideration of the materials available on the report, as well as on perusal of Rule 14 of the rules of 1964, petitioner is directed to file an appeal against a suspension order dated 19/8/2023 before the secretary, PNRD department within a period of 1 week from today. Stop. Draft, is he a party here?
Secretary has not been made a party.
Thereafter, the secretary, PNRD department, on receipt of the appeal, shall consider and dispose of the same in accordance with law.
Within 6 months.
Within a 6 month, no.
Within 6 weeks, I'm sorry.
Within a period of one month, make it 1 month.
6 weeks is 42 days, my lord.
My lord, an appeal
Puja
can
holidays are there in your government office,
My lord, they are puja holidays. So
but maybe not long, 1 or 2 days.
42 days.
my lord, 2 weeks, my
weeks.
lord, 2 weeks.
You
6
make it 1 week, 1 month, within a period of 1 month
Hmm.
from the date of. Thereafter, the outcome of the appeal shall be communicated to the petition.
Understood.
With the opposite of the petition's lives.
Deeply obliged.
Wait, it was. Well, 1 meter, item number 16, it was mentioned in the morning by the government. Now they are telling.
It was passed over a time in lordship. Here we need 3 weeks time because we'll be needing to file an affidavit, my lord.
Item
number 16, lordship.
Heard this is to come in and council for petitioner, Mr.
For the
A. Jalal in the standing government health department, praise for
3 weeks time, lordship.
3 weeks time to file for praise a lot. List of the 3 weeks.
Lordship,
Deeply-
item number 47,
deeply
it is on camera, lordship, which time it will be taken?
After all the listed matters are over, I think will be better.
Last matter.
Yeah. Let it be at last.
Bongaigaon to Baksa Lordship. In this case, NOC from BTC is necessary, Lordship. He applied before the director of BTC.
What is your case?
Lordship, here, Lordship, the petitioner applied for transfer, inter-district transfer from Bongaigaon to Baksa. Lordship, his health condition is not good, Lordship. And considering the health condition, he submitted his application. Lordship, the Act of 2020, dearer Lordship, specific grounds under which transfer can be sought for. Lordship, may kindly have it look.
Yes.
Lordship, may kindly come to section 10, Lordship. Grounds for seeking transfer.
1 minute. Sorry. Yes.
A teacher may seek transfer only on the following grounds. Now, Lordship may kindly come to clause D for treatment of the teacher and or their dependents. Now, Lordship, I have submitted the application for transfer. And Lordship,
Where is your application?
Lordship may kindly come to page number 26 and accept 3, Lordship.
Yes.
Subject regarding no objection certificate for single transfer. With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to inform you and forward herewith an application in original submitted by Sri Zintu Kumar Kalita, assistant teacher, so and so, under so and so, Assam, seeking no objection from the BTC authority for single transfer. In the connection, I would like to inform you that there are few single teacher school under this block. So this office has no objection for such single transfer. Thereafter, Lordship, may kindly come to the next page, Lordship. That is page number 31. This communication was forwarded to the Director of Education, BTC. Page number 31 and Annex 4. With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to forward herewith a letter regarding NOC for single inter-district transfer from Bongaigaon district to Baksa district in respect of so-and-so, assistant teacher of so-and-so, under so-and-so. Once again, Lordship, the said letter was transferred to the Secretary to the Education Department, BTC. The next page, page number 32, Annex 5. With reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to forward herewith the application received from District Mission Coordinator SSA Baksa by his letter under reference submitted by following SSA contractual TET teachers seeking NOC for district transfer single through online process. Detailed as below, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, nothing is happening, Lordship. I have not been, no NOC has been issued, Lordship. Till
Lordship, in this regard, I have received instruction regarding this, Lordship. Director has placed the matter before the council level selection committee. Too many applications are received by the BTC authority for transfer, Lordship. Therefore, all together, his application will be also considered, Lordship. It will take 1 month, I think, Lordship. Whether council level selection committee consider his cast or not, it is not known, but it will already placed there and they will take a decision within 1 month. Probably. This is my morning instruction from the Director of Education.
Why did you want an in-camera proceeding in this?
Lordship, just now I have given the copy of the act, Lordship.
As he is positive, Lordship,
It's
HIV
like-
positive, that is why,
That's
Lordship,
right.
nothing more. Lord.
Section 34, Lordship. There is specific provision, Lordship, to about the separation of identity.
That's a different thing. I didn't know that. Okay, heard, Mister.
Lordship, my humble submission would be, Lordship, as because.
See, let us wait for the decision of this. She says you'll complete in 1 month.
Yes, Lordship.
We'll fix you, give you a fixed date.
Yes, Lordship.
Let them take a picture.
Heard, Mister.
M. Ahmed.
M. Ahmed, Learned Counsel for the petition. MS RB Bora,
For BTC, yes,
Learned Standing Counsel petition.
BTC.
Submits that the case of the petitioner has been placed before the
Council level selection committee,
council level selection committee
BTC.
for BTC for consideration. And the decision and the outcome of the decision
Yet to come.
is yet to come. She however submits that as there are lots of applications before the said council, it may take about 1 month
Probably.
it may take about a month for the council to give its decision. So,
Petition, other, along with other applications for transfer.
accordingly, place the matter on. When was it placed before the council?
13th October, 13th November, I think. 13th, Lordship, on 13th October. 3 October. November, right? October, no? 13 October, Lordship.
Listed on 24th November.
I'm appearing for 6 and
This
7.
matter on 24th November.
24.
MS.
He does.
He does, then the standing council,
does.
secondary division,
No, Your Lordship, SSA
SSA.
on behalf of P Nayan. P Das.
Council appearing on behalf of Mr. P Nayak. the
6
standing
and 7.
council SSA appears for.
6 and 7.
For the respondent, 6 and 7.
Deeply obliged.
Deeply
Highly
obliged.
obliged.
Okay, next.
24 November.